In this video, I will show you how to deposit crypto in eToro. You can follow along on mobile or on desktop as I'm doing right now. So to do this, what you want to go and do is just head over to your wallet. And in your wallet, you will see something saying move crypto. Now you may already see something else if you've already created your wallet, but if you see this, first click create wallet. Then you need to agree to the terms and conditions, which you can read here, and then click I agree. Then right here you can see create wallet and you can choose what wallet you want to create. Now for example, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, then make sure to at least select Bitcoin right here. But you can also select more than one, so just add whichever ones you want. Now for example, I'll deposit some Bitcoins, so I'll just wait for this to load. So then you will see this check mark, you can now go and close this, and you can now see the crypto wallet Bitcoin here. What you can now do is click on this button. Again, for you this can also be Ethereum, Solana, whatever you want to deposit. So click on this button, and that is the deposit button. So receive the cryptocurrency. Click got it, and that will show you your address. Now your address will be different from the one you see here, so don't use this one. Just click copy on yours, and then go to the wallet you are sending from, paste in this address, and then go and transfer it to this wallet. Now, if you're sending Bitcoin, use the Bitcoin network, Solana, use the Solana network, Ethereum, etc. So then once you send some money to this wallet, you will see it right here, the euro amount, also the amount of units, and you can then also sell it, you can send it from here, or you can just hold it. So now you know how to deposit crypto on eToro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.